Done.
Yes, sir.
All right. Rasool, you did.
Sir, I'm doing.
Praharshan, you got the answer.
Sir, I'm doing.
Do. It will take 1 minute time, children, not much than that. Not more than that. Only 1 minute work. Those who did, they can do question number second of it. Down second question is there. You can do it off. Chanchal, you are getting, or shall I solve?
Sir, still solving, sir.
You are getting right.
Trying, sir.
Okay, I'm solving, children. You are not feeling confident. See, sine A you write as it is. Sine 90 minus A is what, Chanchal? That you tell me. Sine 90 minus A. What is the complementary of sine theta, cos theta? You forgot, Chanchal. What happened? Complementary of sine is cos. Complementary of cos is sine. Is it clear? So here you can take LCM sine A cos A. Here you can write sine square A plus cos square A. So that we can write it as 1 divided by sine A cos A. And we can write here 1 by sine A is cosec A and sec A. This got RHS proved. Is it clear, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
All of you do question number second, children. All of you do question number second. You can see the question, complete question with you. Samarth, can you see the question completely?
No, sir, it's not visible completely.
Now?
Now it's visible.
Okay. All of you do, children. Question number second. This complementary angle is the easiest part of the whole chapter, you know. Complementary angle is the easiest part of the whole chapter. First, what I need to do? Tell me, others, what I should do here. Sine A cos A, I'm writing as it is.
Again, minus also comes.
Minus sine A cos 90 minus theta.
Is equal to sine A.
Very good. Sine A. Then
Cos
cos A as it is we are writing. Then divide by what I should write?
cosec A, sir.
Cosec A. Very good. Then minus.
Cos A.
Hmm.
Again cos A.
Okay.
Then sine A.
Divided by.
Sec A.
Now everything we have to convert into sine and cos, children. Okay. So only two things we need to convert here. One is your down here, cosec A and sec A. You just try to convert to sine and cos form. What do you get? Just try to understand. So sine A cos A as it is minus sine square A cos A, and cosec A can be written as what? 1 by sine A, right? Minus cos square A sine A divided by 1 divided by cos A. Can we write like this? Samarth, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
After this, what you have did?
Sir, I just simplify it, sir. If you take the sign and multiply it the numerator, you will get the answer.
What you did?
Sir, if we take the sign A of the
Hmm.
denominator, then it will be just multiplied with the numerator, and
Okay.
same with the cos A at the denominator of the second term. So this will both be simplified like this.
Okay, now what we can do here is sin A cos A, as you are saying that sin A cos A as it is, minus sin square A cos A, and multiply by sin A, right? Correct,
No, sir.
no?
No, sir. No, sir. That's not sir. I was
No,
saying that it will be formed as sin cube A cos A minus cos cube A sin A.
obviously, if you multiply, then it
Yeah.
will come, no, that only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now,
Because what I'm just trying to say to children is, this we are going to reciprocal, right? If you reciprocal children 1 by
yes,
sin A, this will become sin A will come up. It means denominator is here 1 minus cos A square A into sin A multiply by cos A again, divide by 1. Is it clear, children? So next, again sin A cos A minus sin to the power 3A cos A minus cos to the power 3A and sin A. We can take sin A cos A common from everywhere. We can take sin A cos A from common from everywhere. Then what we get? We can write here sin A cos A common. Then we can write 1 minus sin square A minus cos square A. Is it clear to everyone? Or we can
Yes.
write it like sin A cos A. We can write it as 1 minus, in bracket we can write sin square A plus cos square A. Can we write like this, children?
yes,
Or we can write sin A cos A multiply by 1 minus 1, that is 0. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hemant, is it clear to you?
No, sir.
Where you are having doubt, child, you tell me. Where you are having doubt, which step you are feeling difficulty?
Sir, in the fourth one.
Fourth step you are having doubt. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Here you are having difficulty, right? Hemant?
Yes, sir.
See, here is the division, right, children? Like Hemant. So this is nothing but 1 by sin A. If you do reciprocal of 1 by sin A, what do you get? Sin A by 1? Hemant?
Sir.
If 1 by sin A, if you reciprocal it, what do you get? Sin A by 1. That only I have written here in the down. See? Is it clear or not, Hemant, now?
Yes. Got it.
Yeah, that's it. Still anyone having doubt? Rasul, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to the next question, children? Question number 4. This is also similar of NCERT only, children. Can you prove this? Just tell me. This is one
yes.
kind of revision only for you. Who cannot do this question? Who cannot do this question?
Sir, I don't know.
This same question, ditto question, is there in NCERT also, Adarsh.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Same ditto question is there in NCERT. No difference. Okay, Adarsh doesn't know. Anybody else who doesn't know still? Rasul, you know? Rasul, do you know this? Chanchal,
Sir, I also don't know, sir.
children, this is like, this is like for triangle ABC, means any triangle if you take, children, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. Okay. So here they are asking sine A plus B by 2. What we try to do is, Angle A plus angle B you keep on left hand side. On the right hand side, you can write here 180 minus angle C. Can we write like this, children, or not? As we have to get angle A and angle B only, so we are writing here angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 minus angle C. Is it clear? So again here dividing by 2 is there. So what we do is we're dividing by 2 on both sides. So what we get, angle A plus angle B divided by 2 is equals to, I can write 90 minus angle C by 2. Can I write like this?
Yes.
Now I'm solving LHS part. First question, LHS part I'm taking now. Sine A plus B by 2 can be written as sine 90 minus C by 2. Is it clear to everyone or not? From first, see this is a first. So you can write this is from first. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So next, sine 90 minus C by 2 is nothing but cos C by 2, and this got proved. Similarly, tell me, Praharshan, for second part, what we need to do here? Second part, what I need to do? Praharshan, tell me.
Prove that B plus C over 2 equals to 90 on tan 90 minus A by 2
How A by 2 is
put
coming?
the E.
We have to write like this, right?
Yes.
180 minus angle A, and we can write dividing by 2 both sides. So we'll get angle B plus angle C divided by 2 is equals to 90 minus angle A by 2. Similarly, tan B plus C by 2 is equals to, we can write it as tan 90 minus angle A by 2. So 90 minus theta is what? What theta? What A by 2? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Where you are having doubt, you can ask. Question number 5th part. All of you solve this question number 5th.
There is just a minute, sir. Actually, my network is a little low, so can I switch on my camera so that I can hear you properly?
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Children, all of you do this question number 5th one. Question number 5th one, children, all of you do fast. Chanchal, on your camera and tell me the answer for this. Chanchal, can you hear me? What you are doing there?
Sorry, sir, I wasn't able to hear you.
Now you can hear me.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Chanchal, I'm using so Wi-Fi network actually. I think it's your network problem. I think so. Your yeah, your mic is connecting. Sometimes connecting, going, reconnecting, like that is happening with you, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you do this question, Chanchal? Question number 5th, first main. These all questions are easy, children. I should take extra class for you people, I think. Correct, no, Chanchal? Here, what we need to do, children? What I told on the first day, we have to find the pair of 90 degree, right? And change any one. See, this is one pair. And second pair is, this is your second pair. If you add both the degrees, you will get 90 degree, okay? And this both pair, you have to change any one of this both pairs, okay? You have to change any 1. Is it clear? So what we can write it here as,
That how is second cos a pair?
because we are matching 90 degree here. That's it.
So like we want cos opposites is sine, right? So
No, not like
how is
that.
sec?
In complementary angle, children, don't confuse. In complementary angle, we are just making pair of 90 degrees. Okay, not with sec and cosec. Understood? This is the easy method I'm telling you, and I don't think you just get somewhere else. But this is my method. What I'm saying you here, you have to make pair such a way that your 90 degrees, on adding the degrees, you will get 90. Is it clear, Praharshan?
Yes.
That much you just remember that. We are not seeing here, we are least bothered about sec and cosec and all. We are least bothering. In complementary angles, we are bothering about angles. Which two angles sum is 90 degree. Now see here, in this two part, I am changing this sine one. So what I can write here, sine 90 minus 18 divided by cos 18. I have changed the numerator here. Again, I wrote here minus sec 90 minus 58 divided by cosec 58. Is it clear? In two pairs, you can change anyone, not a problem. You have to change numerator only. You can change denominator if you want, not a problem. Answer will not come difference. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta divided by cos theta. Again minus sec 90 minus theta is cosec 58 degree. So answer is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Is it clear to everyone? Rasool, you are not, never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Rasool, very true. So many children left or what? Only 6 children are there, that's it. Next question. Question number second. All of you do this question number second. I think you can do this question. Rasool, what is the answer for this? Tell me. All of you do by yourself. This question, all of you do by yourself. Anyone got the answer, children? Anyone of you got the answer?
Sir, is it 5?
Yeah, 5 is the correct answer. So this is one pair. So we are changing 3 cos 90 minus 10, cos 90 minus 10, then cosec 10 plus 2 cos 90 minus 31 cosec 31. So 3 sin 10 cosec 10 plus 2 cos 90 minus theta is sec theta. Cosec is sine only, no? Sine 31 cosec 31. So this is reciprocal. Sine and cosec are reciprocal, so it will get cancelled. We'll get answer as 3 plus 2, that is 5. Is it clear to everyone, children? Is it clear to everyone?